If you already know Laravel and you want to add real authentication to your API, this course is for you. No long setup, no full front-end application, no giant project that hides the important part. We are going to build one focused API. A user can register. A user can log in. Laravel returns a Sanctum token. That token protects the private routes. Then the user can create projects, list projects, update them, and delete them. But here is the important part. A user will only see their own projects. That is where many beginner API tutorials stop too early. They show login, they show a token, but they do not finish the real problem, protecting user data. In this course, we will finish that problem. We will use Laravel, CRUD, SQLite, Sanctum, and Postman. I will assume you already know basic Laravel. You should know routes, controllers, migrations, and eloquent models. I will not teach PHP installation, Composer installation, or the basics of Laravel. This is a short practical course about API authentication. By the end, you will have working code that you can reuse in your next Laravel API. Let's start with the small setup we need.